Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a powerful feature in JavaScript called Destructuring. Destructuring is a way to extract values from objects and arrays effortlessly, and it really makes our code cleaner, concise, and more readable. And before I jump into Destructuring, let's take a quick look at how we used to extract data from objects and arrays in the past. Here I have an object called person with these properties. In order to access these properties and extract them from person object in the past, we used to do it with dot notation, person.name, person.age, and assign them to a variable. And for arrays, in order to access each of these elements, we had to use index notation. And while this approach worked just fine, it could become difficult or less readable in some cases, especially when dealing with complex data structures. And that's where object destructuring comes to the rescue. And let me show you the syntax for object destructuring. I will use curly braces and I will write the name of properties that I want to extract from person object. And as you can see, with just one line of code, I could extract these properties and assign them to variables that are holding the corresponding values of person object. And it really eliminates the repetitive person.name, person.age, or country calls throughout the code, and it is really simpler and better. And in contrast to object destructuring, which allows us to extract properties by their names, array destructuring works based on the order of elements in the array. Let me show you how it works. And we also use brackets instead of curly braces. For example, I want the first and second color of the colors array, first color and second color of the colors array. Okay, let me change the names. It doesn't get any wrong. And as you can see, the first variable will receive the first element and second variable will receive the second, and so on if we have any other variables. And let me see the results in console. And yeah, the results are the same in both approaches. And you can use each of them that you really feel better. And in the context of React, object and array destructuring is incredibly useful, especially when dealing with props passed to components. We can pass props this way, get the props and use props.title in our component in React, or we can just simply destructure the props here. We need the title and write it this way. It can be really useful and functional in React. And that's it for this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful, and if you have any questions or topic suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.